Hello, in this video I will make some Neuro bass design using my voice as an incoming signal. So let's do it. It goes like that. And let's pitch it down until it sounds cool. I think it's already a very good foundation for the bass. And I will start with a filter. So now I'm just playing with distortion after taking out the harmonic content and creating some movement. Let's add some grit to get rid of that simple and rubbery kind of texture to this sound. Let's just make it cooler and more fucked up. Maybe let's automate the drive as well. It is a very freeform sound, so let's don't try to make it scientific. Yeah, I think the decapitator is doing really good on this sound. But before this, I often like to control the sound with an EQ to make the texture work as nice as possible.